What is going down, y'all? I'm gonna keep this one short and sweet here. As you guys have already heard and seen me talk about an upcoming trip that I'm taking here soon. So it is coming. I'm probably like just over a week away before I actually head out. And where I'm going, well, my end destination will be the Dallas, Texas area. So I'm actually towing and taking my Caprice to Texas Whip Fest down in Texas. I think the actual location is Denton, Texas, and we'll be up in there, Seattle area representing. I'll probably be the only one from Seattle up in that mofo, but I'll still be representing. More importantly, y'all, I'm gonna be connecting with some people that I have met online through social media, through YouTube, things like that, and it's gonna be phenomenal, y'all. I talk with these people every day, basically, mainly through like Instagram, YouTube, and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to actually get to meet these people in person, and it's crazy how the car community and just things like this can bring people together, especially when we're all like-minded and have the same interests and things like that. So I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. So what I'm gonna do is I'm coming all the way from Seattle. It's a long ass trip, but me and my girl are gonna go and we're gonna take over 2 weeks off, and we're gonna make it just like a big ass road trip. So like we're going to be hitting just a lot of different cities along the way. We got people along the way. I got one of my best friends actually in the Dallas area, and he's going to meet up with me there as well. And I haven't seen him in a long time, so it'll be really good to see him. I'm going to be meeting people like the Griffin brothers that are on Instagram and YouTube. LS Chevy 254 down in that area. I already talked to him, so sorry if I said your name right. I think it's LS Chevy Rider 254. So yeah, y'all, I'm excited. So he said he was going to be at the show, and a few other people were going to be at the show as well. So I'm excited to link up with people, and shoot, man, it's going to be phenomenal. So but more importantly, y'all, I get to be able to spend time with my girl. I mean, we've been grinding, working nonstop, and so this will be a much needed trip for us just to reconnect, and just enjoy life, y'all, and just enjoy this road trip and see a lot of different areas, see some scenic areas and things like that, because we're going to be stopping in like Colorado, Utah. I mean, just a lot of different places. So more than just a show, it's going to be a time just to get away and enjoy life. So anyways, Texas Whip Fest 2019, I'm coming. I might be the only one on stock rims up in there too, but my Caprice is basically made a name for itself, and it's straight up sleeper mode on the outside, but underneath is definitely something different. So anyways, y'all, stay tuned for more. That road trip coming up here soon. I'm gonna try to document as much as I can of it as well. So all right, y'all, I'll holla. That was basically my big announcement. If it's big, I don't know, but it's big for me, and I've been wanting to hit some shows just outside of my area, and shows that don't really happen up too much in the Pacific Northwest, so we don't get to see this type of big rim culture, and not only just the big rim culture, but just a different way of doing things in the car culture. So I'm really excited to see this. I'm really excited to see the cars and the people and everything, and just to get to learn some things and see something different for once. So I'm excited, and hope you guys are too. So catch me Dallas area, and it's going down. All right, deuces.